Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, your go-to place for all things tech. In today's tutorial, we're diving into how you can set up a WhatsApp account quickly and easily. Whether you're new to WhatsApp or just need a refresher, you're in the right place. So let's get started. First things first, you'll need to download WhatsApp from the App Store or Google Store. Just type WhatsApp into the search bar and it should be the first app that pops up. Tap Install and wait for the app to download and install on your device. Once WhatsApp is installed, tap Open to launch the app. You'll be greeted with a welcome screen. Next up, you'll need to enter your phone number. WhatsApp uses your phone number to create your account and verify your identity. Don't worry, it's secure and encrypted. After entering your number, tap Next, then confirm your number by tapping OK. In a few moments, you'll receive a text message from WhatsApp containing a 6-digit verification code. Enter this code into the app to verify your phone number. If you don't receive a code, you can request a phone call instead. With your number verified, it's time to set up your profile. You can add your name and a profile picture. This is how friends and family will see you on WhatsApp. So pick something that represents you. And that's it. You're all set up and ready to start using WhatsApp. You can now send texts, make calls, share photos and videos, and even create group chat with friends and family.